Introducing QwikCamp, the all-new RV plumbing solution from Fernco. Each QwikCamp kit includes a gate valve bushing, 4-inch by 3-inch gate valve adapter, 90-degree elbow, 3-inch flexible coupling, sewer cleanout adapter, and a pipe cap. Lay your PVC pipe out in relation to where the RV and cleanout are located. Depending on the distance the RV is from the cleanout, you may need to use the included 3-inch coupling to add an additional run of pipe. Install the gate valve bushing by aligning each opening with the tabs of the bayonet fitting. Install the larger end of the gate valve adapter onto the bushing and tighten with a 5/16 inch nut driver or impact driver. Slide the slip fit adapter into the sewer outlet. To make sure you have an accurate measurement, mark pipes on the end of the coupling socket. Use a handsaw to cut the pipe and deburr with a utility knife. Connect the pipe from the RV drainout to the elbow and tighten bands securely. Then connect the pipe from the elbow to the sewer cleanout. Use pipe supports under each connection to aid flow. Now your QwikCamp kit is installed and ready to go. QwikCamp, your semi-permanent RV sewer connection system.